What is the main function of the CPU in a computer? B. Processing data. Which component of a computer is responsible for temporary data storage? B. RAM. What is the purpose of the motherboard in a computer? B. Connecting all components. Which component of a computer is responsible for providing power to other components? B. PSU. Which component of a computer is responsible for managing graphics and visuals? B. GPU. What does the acronym RAM stand for in computer architecture? A. Random access memory. Which type of memory is non-volatile and retains data even when powered off? B. ROM. What is the purpose of the BIOS in a computer? B. Loading the operating system. Which component is responsible for managing the flow of data within a computer? C. Chipset. What is the purpose of the expansion slots in a motherboard? C. Adding expansion cards.